Share repurchase. Share repurchase is the heart of corporate finance investment banking team. Now, share repurchase is important because there are three things that we own as we like as a bank. The first is brokerage charge, that a company gives us some contract to do some share repurchase. We get a brokerage charge out of that. If we talk about levered share repurchase, then they might take leverage from us if they like our leverage themes, like for example if they like our convert strategy, or if that convert strategy is linked to those scenarios where share repurchase is being taken care of, or things like that. We get the loans being given to those companies. We have the working of a broker that we would do for the share repurchase strategies. So this is really one of the topmost things that we would like to do. So in this regard, share repurchase is an interesting thing to look at. Now our engine would be to project the future of the company, because that's where the share repurchase would happen. So we are projecting on how to do the share repurchase for the next 5 years or 20 quarter. In this regard, we need to project how the company's balance sheet and the financials would look like. And here comes an important part, because since we want to do share repurchase in an active manner based on the falling of share price, or based on multiple falling, or based on some other strategy, like in three quarters the multiple was falling, or the share price was falling, or any custom strategy that we want to build, we need to have snapshot of the future, each snapshot quarter 1 2 3 4 of the future, and that would help us to build this share repurchase strategies. Now inherently there is a lot of controversy about the share repurchase strategies, but I'm going to just move around and talk a little bit on them. So the first strategy that we can do in share repurchase is share price falling below a particular price, or share price falling consecutively in 3 quarters. So that means that the market is not bullish in our company, or the market is not interpreting growth in our company, which we as a company thinks we have. So we can make a strategy and give it to the bank that okay, when the share price fall, do the share repurchase. The other strategy would be price to earning multiple. Whenever the price to earning multiple fall, we might believe that we are undervalued, so we can take a share repurchase and we can implement them. So that's price to earning. Now we don't really know where would this price to earning multiple go into the future. It's possible that this might go in a zigzag manner, or come down, or move up, depending on the analysis that we are building up using those Monte Carlo simulation, using the past, using the consensus estimate, using our discussion with the people who cover these companies, and so on. So in that respect, we will find out where the price to earning multiple is going. So we'll have price to earning multiple, share price fall, and a lot more interesting strategies. So we can have a strategy that do excess repo after this amount, that would be like excess repo, or we can have do a constant repo of this amount, or we can have the two strategies like share price fall, and many innovations can be made in share price. So there are two inherent things where a CorpFin team would help you, especially in those projection part. A team that understand the financials of the company, a team that understand how different aspects of risk attributions happen at that company, how sensitive a company's share price is to return of capital, to leverage. A team that handles all this part can help a company to get along and take the best share repurchase strategy. The next part what this engine could be used is convertible bond, because once you have those share price projection into the future, you can find out how good idea is a convert bond option. Because if you sell a convertible bond, if you believe that the share price is not so bullish, and buying a convertible bond is giving you more return, maybe you are playing less interest out of that, or even after buying those hedges, those big hedges for those conversion to stop the dilution of your equity, even after doing that, if you get, or to find out the price of the hedge or how much you must hedge, things like that involves a projection of your balance sheet into the future. So in this respect, a CorpFin team is very helpful, and it would help you on share repurchase and this. And as we have been talking about, our focus is client. So when a bank goes to some company, the bank want to keep things simple, because otherwise the person whom you are going to is not understanding a lot of things out of those black box.